Hi friends, welcome to the channel. As you can see, this is a reminder notice for annual filing for the Incorporation. Now, if you have set it up as an email notification, you will also get this 1 year after you have registered your corporation, and you can also get this by postal. So I have set up this for an email notification. It's easy, it's very prompt, and I'm able to take almost immediate action on this. So as you see, the cost of filing is only $12. Now until last year, you could just go for the file online option and fill in all your corporation detail, then go ahead with the payment. Now this year you have to create a GC key. This is one additional step which has been introduced, which you will be able to see in this video. So make sure you're watching this video. Once you're done with this, every year you will be able to do with very much ease. So as I said, first thing is to go and create GC key. Once you click on the file online, first step you will have to do is to go and create GC key. I will not go into much detail. I'm sure you would know how to create GC key if you have created one for your immigration or for any other purpose. So I'll leave that up to you. Here, if your GC account is already linked to an email ID, you will not be able to use the same email ID. You will have to have another email ID for this. So this is one thing which you must know. Once you go and create your GC key, you will be on this page where it says you're already logged in. So once you enter all your credentials, you will be directed to this page where you can see how much it cost for the services. So every service is detailed. You can take time to go through each service. Today, filing annual return is what we are going to do. As I said, it's only $12. So you have to go and select that option, and once you click on that, you come to this online filing center. As you can see, annual return. Once you enter your corporation detail in search, you will be able to see the corporation detail as well as the business number. So once you enter that and search, you are shown the result, and you have to go and check the corporation which is in your name, the corporation name, status, corporation number, business number, and the registered office address. So if there is any change, it will prompt how you can do that. If there is no change, it's a very direct way of paying online. On the next page, you come to this page, and here it shows you have chosen to file an annual return for your corporation name, business number, registered office address, and details of director. So once you go and check everything, if there is any change, you can go and do that change. So once you go through this entire list and you see that okay, everything is correct, you go and click next, and you come to this page where you have series of steps. So as you can see, step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are on step 1 where the contact information is getting checked, which is basically your name, telephone number, and the email address. So once you confirm that and click next, you come to step 2 where you are giving information on your annual return for the company. Here it will show the previous status. If you have already filed, that will be shown. If it is your first one, you will only be shown the year of filing as 2022, and then it will say due date as on the date. So basically the due date what gets shown here is your anniversary date, so that you will be able to see. And once you check that, so once you come to this page, you enter your year of filing. So in my case, the year of filing is 2022, so I enter that. Here you will also have to give the date when you have your annual meeting done. So that date can be mentioned here for the annual meeting, and after that you will be prompted this screen. If your incorporation is less than 18 months, then it says you can avoid or leave it blank, self-explanatory. So once this is done, let's go. The annual meeting date, in my case, I fill that, and then type of corporation. Now this you will be knowing. In my case, it is a non-distribution corporation. I don't have to file document with Securities Commission, and I don't sell any of the shares on stock exchange. So between both, whatever is yours, you choose, and then you look at the authorization form where the name of the director will be shown, and that name has to be entered as well as the telephone number, and then you click next. Now coming to the step 3, which is to review, print and sign the annual return. Once you come down, you will get this confirmation page where you will be able to go and confirm your annual return has been signed by the name of the director, and you can read this caution. Once you are done with this, you click next. Now on this step 4, this is the annual reminder notice. Here you can set it up where you want the reminder notice to come, and once you're done with that, click next. Then the last process is to process the payment, and here, as I said, payment is for $12. Once you select the process payment, you will be prompted this screen. You cannot change your request. Once you continue beyond the screen, is your request complete? I say yes, and then it takes to the processing page. Here you have option to either do via credit card, debit card, or through Interact. So once you choose your payment method, you just go and finish with the payment. So once the payment is done, you get a order transaction approval, and this is for your record, as well as you would get this on your email that this is complete. So that's it, guys. I hope this video was useful. Do comment and let me know, and in case you have any more video request or any doubt, do use the comment section to ask the question, and I will try to answer to best of my ability. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Do share, and thanks for watching Canada Tried and Tested.